Yo, what was that girl's name again? Yeah, what's her name? What's her name?
Was it Jenny?
Nah, it was Suzie. Oh!
Hoping it's far away, never comes the day when I lose you. I got something from I.Am.GIA, so I'm gonna unbox it. Satisfying, come on. The top is super cute. How do you open it? I didn't know. Okay, kind of worth it. Now that I think about it. I think it's see-through.
That's what you have this.
Yeah. These are the pants. They're
I feel like bathing suit.
yeah. And then the
The
flare.
pants are really nice, but they're see-through.
Yeah, that's what.
You're gonna scandalous.
It's cute though. This thing. Anyways, was it worth it? Pretty hurts. Pretty hurts your bank account. Okay, bye. Okay, it's the month of April. And we're gonna make a cake. I don't know why I felt the need to tell you it was the month of April when I think it's still going up in April, like next week. So we're using the Betty Crocker Super Moist Chocolate Fudge Cake. It looks like this. I vaguely remember trying it before. Ew, I hope you can't see my feet. I've eaten very embarrassed. Anyways. Okay. Can y'all even see this? Yeah. Ooh. Smells like chocolate.
Almost knocked down the whole thing.
Okay, half a cup of vegetable oil. I want to do oil first because I want to get it out of the way. No, I should do milk. 1/4, 1 and 1, huh? 1 and 1/4, right?
1 1/4. Yeah. I don't know.
Yes or no?
What did you want me to say? Do you oil this up or no?
Yeah.
Or butter it? I think we butter it.
Should we be using water instead or?
No.
Almond milk is basically water.
I don't know. Who knows?
Okay, I think that's 1/4.
3 eggs.
3 eggs. Okay, wait. Put it in.
Wait.
You idiot.
I'm gonna drop the whole thing onto the cake.
Why do I think this is not a big enough, like,
3? Yeah. I said
half a cup of vegetable oil?
So clumpy.
That's half a cup. That's half a cup. That's half a cup. No?
Yeah. That's a little over.
Yeah, whatever. I'll pour less then. If you get a shell in there, I'll kill
You,
Then don't eat it. No, like.
I'll eat it when it's cooked, but,
No, you really won't.
Why?
I'm not gonna let you.
Why?
Because
That's so rude.
you were hating on it. You're a hater.
Do you have frosting for it, or?
We're making cream cheese frosting.
Dang,
Yo.
that's not good, Mom. Where are you gonna cook it?
In our oven. I was thinking of, like,
No.
air fryer, but Christina's like, no.
Does that even work?
I don't know. Can you check the top? Does it say? On the top of the air fryer, it lets you know, like, things you could cook. Does it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh.
See? We should do the cake.
This is
It
it,
says
though?
right here, 280 to 300.
Yeah, you can mix
Why don't
that.
you just shrink it? Like, I don't know, like. bend
No.
the-
No.
Bend the corner.
Go away. Okay, Christina's gonna mix. I'm gonna start the other stuff. Anyways, we're back. 1 stick of butter.
What is 1 steak?
Okay, what is 1 stick of butter? 113 grams? This is 454.
You hear that?
454 divided by 4. 113. So divide it into 4.
Whatever you say.
Okay, 1 stick of butter. I forgot to wipe that. You can birth a 4, okay? Is
No,
that?
I don't know.
He says that, I
But
swear.
They still need you.
They still need you. 200 grams. How much is 50 grams? Can we just add the whole thing in?
What?
A cup is 62. 62 is barely like a finger length. So I'm gonna take more than a finger length.
What?
I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna take that much of it. It's what has to happen. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Ew. I don't know. You should pour it in.
Ow, my leg. And what? Here?
Yeah. I hate this. Why are you spooning it back in there when you can just spoon it into the other one? Because you're gonna have to fill the other one anyway.
I didn't oil it.
Okay, then stop it. Just oil
Oh
it.
my gosh.
We should never. No baking contest where they give you a certain amount of time to do something.
That's why I don't enter any.
We should not do any of those ever. We'd be a great team though for TV.
I'm like a different teammate. Okay.
Wow.
No, I think we get the job done.
What?
Dude, look how ugly the top is.
Hold it.
Look at the bowl. Wait. Looks like a bowl. What is that? Ew, don't touch it.
It's not done yet.
Yeah, I love cows actually, so.
But we just don't mess with cow milk. We have this one as an option as well.
I don't think they can see it.
We're currently planning it out. So, we're gonna make a cake like this, right? And then it's gonna have a bunch of like daisies on it or whatever, and then it's gonna have a frog in the corner sitting with the daisies.
Okay.
Which one's blue? This?
Yeah, the big one's blue.
Can I do this one?
Yeah. I'm gonna do the little ones. Leave it. Okay, so this is how the black is coming along. I added more blue and stuff. Blue and green. Oh wow, it does look kind of dark on camera, so I don't know. Oh, there is crumbs. I'm kind of sad.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be a crumb coat. Didn't you? I'm turning it. Mm. Whoa! Did you do this?
Mhm.
Pretty straight. Or pretty neat.
The cake?
Yeah,
Where is it?
right here. But you can't eat it yet. We have to decorate it.
Damn. Where'd you get those bags? Huh?
Oh.
What do you mean?
Is it clean?
It is, but like it's in the like.
The roll?
Yeah.
Oh,
No,
I
not the
think-
roll. The like Ziploc
You
packages.
should have got the roll one.
Why?
I don't
These
know.
are smaller. These are so. Those ones are so big.
They're funny.
You're ugly. Get out. Go away.
Got them? Dang.
I like that one too. I don't know.
Too sugary.
It's buttercream. The sugar, we tried to like make powdered sugar, but then the blender was like not cooperating.
Why don't you just buy powder? Don't we have powdered sugar? That's what we do.
It's so old.
Ew.
Damn.
I was like, not having it today.
Yeah, you should have used powdered sugar.
Yeah.
I would have got it for you. You should have told me. So chungus.
You were busy. Who cares, man? It's not that big.
Couldn't you just like, I don't know.
Okay, well, it's kind of too late. Why do you
Couldn't
keep...
just like eat it and then later like.
No, it's
Mix.
gonna melt the buttercream and stuff. It's just
But then you
weird.
put it in the fridge again, no?
Okay, just get out.
Can you flatten it?
No, don't do that. Oh shit. Sorry, I got that on you.
Oh, where? Nowhere.
No clue, but I know I touched you.
Come on.
Rise and shine. It's scary how accurate it is.
And then like put it higher pitched in your video. Because it's black. It's not black. It needs a smile. Oh yeah, we need like a smile.
How the fuck am I supposed to do that?
Let's do this on the
Cheeks? You better.
Oh my gosh, that is
okay.
so cute!
Wait, let me turn it. Do this side. Go.
Wait, I need to film this.
I'll film it because you're
Okay.
the one. Where is it?
Here, go to continue shooting.
Where? Wait, my finger's in the way.
Oh my gosh. Bro, I'm shaking.
That's cute. It's fine. Wait, I got it. I know how to fix this. I know how to fix this.
Oh my gosh. What is that?
Okay, put it. Dad, you fix it, go!
What?
I'm gonna be in it. You don't have to, because I know you don't like that. But this is the cake. I'm gonna bring it in for detailed shots. You know. Oh, that does not look good. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? It's okay. Let's turn this on. Oh, look at our cake. Wow. Look at it. It's kind of lumpy over here, but don't mind that. Look at the frogs. They're so in love. Actually, it's kind of lumpy right there. Look at that. Fix that. Like nothing. Oh my god, Christina, it's so cute.
I know her. It's so nice.
This is the cake. This is it. We're gonna have to cut it and see how it tastes. Take in. There's no filling between the cake, so we'll see. So I know this video isn't a tutorial. It wasn't meant to be. It was just us having fun because our birthdays are both in the month of April. So yeah, this is our birthday cake and it's so cute. Look at the frog. But oh my god, it's so sad to see it go. Would I do this again?
Yes.
Yeah, I think I would. Like, what would
Earlier I said no. Sorry, I keep cutting you off.
Yeah, earlier we said no, but a finished product, yeah, I think I would do it again. Would you?
Mm-hmm.
10 out of 10. Would recommend. I love it. Yeah.
My stomach cramping, y'all.
No, I posted that on my story.
No, you didn't.
Did I put on?